Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can rotate one specific A4 paper in MS Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, you need to click on the View tab and click on the multiple pages. And here you can see that I have 4 pages. And then click on the Layout option and click on the size and select the A4 paper size. And then you need to highlight the text or the content on the page you want to rotate. For example, I'll take the second page as an example, and then click on the Layout tab and click on the Page Setup Launcher icon. A small arrow in the bottom right corner of the page setup group. Click on that, and under the Margin tab you need to choose the Portrait to Landscape. And here you can see the preview of landscape. And then head to the Apply, click on this arrow and select the selected text. Click OK to apply, and here it is. Then Word will automatically insert section breaks around the text, rotate only that sections. So this way you can easily rotate one specific A4 paper in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.